he didn't have a strong hand in a while and really wants to get some money into the pot.
Oh, 2 hearts on the flop here, and all of a sudden Kursakov has a foothold in this hand.
Yeah, this won't go far. But I do strongly prefer kings to be raised pretty much every time. It's just really sad when you only flat kings against something like pocket jacks or ace queen or ace king that certainly can jam against your 30 big blind stack. And getting it in pre-flop with kings, there's just few things that are better than that. You want to put in more money. Also, they can just call. If you're sitting, say, on 12 big blinds in the big blind, I can understand the flat a bit more. But against an under the gun opener, they have hands so often.
Well, he flatted pre-flop. He's not gonna flat again here, is he? He's
I would expect that he raises. Yeah, that's right. He doesn't have a heart, so he'll try to get it in against the queen right now.
King of hearts, anyone?
But he's gonna get it in nearly a flip, probably.
King of hearts. King of hearts.
Kinda kills the hand though as well, but I guess we can't see many interesting turns. Ace, then the king of hearts would be the most annoying run out probably.
All in from Kursakov. Wow, he's pushed a lot. An insta call from Tarantsev. This is a big one. All of a sudden, 363,000 in the middle here. 10 outs for Kursakov. Tarantsev is all in for his tournament life.
You can see the old 4x rule here on the flop in terms of outs for your
That's
equity.
it on the turn straight away.
4 outs.
But Tarantsev still has outs, of course. He can hit a king or an 8. On the end here, can he find one to survive? It's thin. It's really thin. 4 outs to save his bacon.
Oh, he's sad. I do understand that.
See, now he has.
Редко. С 8-ками, да?